Hey guys, has been money back over here. I just get to the house and we got a new item for you guys to unbox. So I just received the battery for the embedded. You guys seeing it. Just unboxing my previous video, and we're gonna harvest those batteries and stuff like that. And I'm gonna show you this after the intro. See you then. Alright guys, so we are back after regular intro, and then we're gonna turn this camera to the opposite. Here we are. Alright, so this is the battery. It's gonna be iron battery. I'm gonna DIY my battery for my solar panels. So what I'm gonna show you right here is just buy a whole bunch of them, a whole lot, and cost me $60 something, $68. So this is the thing of the battery, how they coming in. So the thing with this one is I had to open it and take the battery there inside out. You guys can see in it. So this is supposed to have a 3 cell inside each one of them. That's my understanding. A lot of them there will be different ones. So I was supposed to receive white ones, but look like the batch came in all different color. Not different color, all the same color, black ones. So it's kind of fine. So I just want to show you this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up every single one of them, and we're gonna take the battery from inside, and we're gonna DIY a regular battery. Something I'm gonna show you when I start doing the videos and stuff like that. And we get a lot of them, so out than 200 batteries. So I think it's probably a little bit more than that over here. All right guys, so that's what we're gonna show you. Thank you for watching. This is a very small video I've been doing it, and I'll be see you into the next one.